Hi, my name is Jules Anthony Medina ng BSHM 3B and tuturuan ko kayo paano gumamit ng flare bottle. At ang flare bottle ay nakapag-entertain ng mga tao. And I have 3 ways proper handling ng flare bottle. The first is bartender's grip. Bartender's grip. And the second is juggling's grip. Juggling's grip. Or jugglers. Juggling or jugglers. And the third is reverse grab. Reverse, that's a reverse grab. Reverse grab. And now, let's proceed the flare bottle techniques. The first one is front clip. Front flip. Front flip. And the next is side flip. Side flip. And the next is rainbow pass. The next is rainbow pass. Rainbow pass. And the next is throw behind the back. Okay. And the next one is shoulder back flip. Okay. The next one is thumb roll. The next one is waterfalls. The next one is tomahawk. And the next one is boomerang. And the next one is stall or balancing.